Hey, this is Trevor from Minnesota. I drive a 1998 Lexus LS400 sedan. Amazingly smooth car and already smooth V8 engine. And I did the snake oil treatment on it, and it got even smoother and quieter and more powerful. And it had also a lifter kick that really completely went away after the snake oil treatment. Those engines are notorious for lifter kick, noisy lifters, and after a complete snake oil treatment, it quieted right down. So I'm really happy with the snake oil treatment. Really amazing stuff, and I would highly recommend it. Well, thank you, Ron, and really hope you give the snake oil a try out there. Thanks. Bye.
100% pure snake oil by Gadget Man. It's the real deal.